Look at me. I'm not gonna be late anymore. My favorite cereal into the compartment. There's a line on here that you're supposed to fill it up to, right there. So I'm gonna fill it up right there. And then you have to close this first. And then this goes inside. And then you tighten it up. This is genius. This is going to be perfect for when I'm trying to get my daughter out of the house in the mornings. I can just throw her cereal in here and we can go. I'm gonna leave the link below so you can grab one of these. Make sure you check your coupons.